Hey y'all, listen, we are into the facial mask. It is Facial Mask Monday and I have a doozy for you today. So simple, 2 ingredients that is here to do what? Absorb oil, exfoliate the skin, hydrate the skin, soothe the skin, balance your skin's microbiome, and it's all natural ingredients and very, very affordable. Let me tell you what I'm talking about today with this facial mask. The 2 ingredients, here we go right here. First and foremost, it is cornstarch in the building, okay? Cornstarch is known for its oil absorbing properties. It can help control excess oil, making it suitable for those with oily or combination skin. Additionally, it provides a soothing effect, which can be beneficial for irritated or red skin. All I did was add into my bowl 1 tablespoon of the cornstarch. The second ingredient, beautiful babes, you got this in your fridge right now. It's yogurt. Yogurt contains lactic acid. Did you know that? That's a gentle exfoliant that helps remove dead skin cells, promotes cell turnover, and improves the skin's texture. It also provides hydration to the skin, making it a good choice for all skin types. The probiotics in yogurt can also contribute to a balanced skin microbiome. Hello, 2 ingredients. Yogurt, we're only needing to use 2 tablespoons. Mix it up, y'all. Mix it up, mix it up. And you know you don't need a dirty face, so make sure you take off all your makeup, get all the dirt and impurities off, and once this is all mixed up, just apply this mixture evenly to your face, avoiding the sensitive areas around the eyes and mouth. And allow this mask to just sit and sit and sit for about 15 to 20 minutes until it completely dries. And after the mask dries, yeah, you're gonna feel a little tightening, girl. That little tightening sensation on your face. Look at you. You look crazy. But you know what? You're gonna look cute afterwards. Once this mask is dry, just rinse it off with warm water. Take these little sponges, like this one I got from Amazon, and just get all of that off of your face and use gentle circular motions to help exfoliate the skin while removing the mask. Then pat your face dry with a clean towel and then follow up with your regular skincare routine. Now y'all know, you know this, right? I want to tell you again because some of y'all forget. As always, perform a patch test before using any new skincare products on your skin or any mask to ensure you don't have an adverse reaction. This mask is generally safe for most skin types, but if you have very sensitive skin, you may want to avoid or reduce the time the mask is left on your skin, as the exfoliating properties of yogurt could potentially cause irritation. You can use this mask once or twice a week as part of your skincare routine. Overuse of exfoliating masks can lead to sensitivity of the skin, so be mindful of how often you use it. If you have a specific skin concern or condition, it is a good idea to consult with a dermatologist for personalized skincare recommendations, because I am not your dermatologist. I just love doing fun things with the skin. So y'all, that's it. That's all, beautiful babes. You know what I'm talking about. Look at the skin. Check out the skin. Don't be shy. Get up close to the camera. Can you see me? Yes, yes, that is it. Now, if you enjoyed today's video, let me know. If you have not subscribed, go ahead and do that now. More fun to come. And if you did, in fact, love this video, give it a thumbs up and ring that notification bell so you won't miss any of my upcoming beauty and skincare tips. Okay, and there you have it, beautiful babes. The power of cornstarch and yogurt in a face mask. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial as much as I did. If you tried this mask at home or have any questions, please share your thoughts in the comments section below. And I love hearing from y'all. You know I do. Again, don't forget to follow me right here. Subscribe to the channel for more skincare tips, behind the scenes content, and sneak peeks of upcoming videos. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up. Your support means the world to me. And if you're not part of our beauty community over here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications by ringing the bell. That way you'll be the first to know when we share more exciting beauty and skincare secrets. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. So until next time, stay beautiful, stay confident, and take care of that lovely skin of yours. Two queens in a mirror, lifting each other higher. Steam on.